Storm Tracker 9 weather with Chief Meteorologist Justin Stapleton.
Well, we continue to see the showers sticking around. In fact, most of the real heavy rain has been to the north of us today, though. That's the good news, so to speak. We'll see some of that start to head south as we head overnight tonight and into Friday's forecast. But there's also some dry time starting to develop in our holiday weekend forecast as well. Can we get the temperatures to move back up into the 60s where we should be this time of year? Well, we'll get into that in just a bit as well. Let's go out to the storm tracker, and I'll show you what we've got overall. We've been seeing most of the real heavy stuff, as I mentioned, been up around Portland. They set new records yesterday in rainfall, about 1.5 inches in spots towards downtown Portland. They got over 2.5 inches up towards Tillamook. Astoria has been pounded most of the day yesterday and today as well. You can see the heavy pockets moving their way just north of Salem around McMinnville, and then again swinging back north. Low itself now moving up towards Seattle, but that means it's starting to swing offshore, and all that concentration of moisture is starting to head a little further south. And so while we're getting kind of on the outskirts of it right now across the central and southern valley, we'll start to see some of the heavier waves there. You can see the brighter and the thicker cloud cover starting to slide southward too. So I'm expecting the rain to start picking up in intensity for most of our viewing area as we go later on tonight and in towards tomorrow. So what do we have outside so far? It's been a fairly quiet afternoon. Get a little closer. What we've been also noticing is while the rain has been very steady and heavy up around Portland, it's also starting to warm. We're not seeing as much snow up around Mount Hood, just a little bit of snow as you get above up in towards, let's say, Timberline Lodge area around 7,000 feet. Snow line starting to move back up to around 4,000 to 5,000 feet, and even up into the Washington Cascades where they saw lots of snow yesterday, starting to change over back to rain. So that should help our temperatures warm back up over the next couple days as well. Rainfall totals, as you might expect, Newport, one of the spots on the wetter side today. They got up about 0.8 of an inch of rain, just a fraction of that. As you get towards Eugene and Corvallis, North Bend around 0.2, and just a trace down in Roseburg. I think everybody will start to pick up some more rain as we go overnight tonight. Temperatures a bit warmer too, upper 50s now. Corvallis and Eugene today. We got to 60 in the Dalles, out towards Redmond as well. 64 in Medford, and even warmer than that, around 70 degrees out towards Ontario. Right now, the temperatures are slowly falling back to the low 50s, still 57 down in Roseburg, around 51 out to Florence, upper 40s out in Bend, and upper 30s out towards the mountains. So again, same story. We've got the jet stream pulling in the moisture, wrapping around that low, and as that continues to stay just to the north and west of us, that will continue to be a big shower maker for us over the next couple of days. But as we rotate tonight in towards tomorrow morning, you see the heavier rain starts to move back off to the north of us. By the time we head towards the afternoon, we'll start to see some breaks in that forecast, and it looks like we'll keep on to some of those as we head towards Saturday. Now, we can't necessarily say we're going to go dry all day Saturday and Sunday, but we'll call for isolated showers both of those days, and that'll be the driest time period as we head back towards Memorial Day. Likely going to see the next big wave of rain coming at us. That'll keep things on the wet side for most of the parades. So scattered showers by tomorrow afternoon. We'll see the morning rain should be breaking up some. Saturday, Sunday, the better days at the coast, and then wet again Monday. It looks like we'll keep the scattered rain showers coming into next week. Scattered showers also in the Umpqua Basin tomorrow. They'll be tapering off, I'd say, by mid-afternoon. Dry most of Saturday and Sunday. Monday, we're back to the rain showers again. A rain-snow mix in the Cascades as the freezing levels continue to rise tomorrow. Bend and Redmond will see isolated showers with temperatures in the mid-50s, in the low 60s, and drier for both Saturday and Sunday. And finally, here in the valley, guys, we'll see morning rain. It should taper off by late tomorrow afternoon. Isolated Saturday, Sunday, but those are the best days. Mondays we mentioned. Can't stop all the parades, and that wouldn't want to anyway, but keep the rain gear handy. You'll need it.
Oregonians are prepared.
Yes, they are.
Thanks, Justin.
You bet.